I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hot links. First, let's talk about grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, about 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the hot links directly on the grates, leaving some space between each one. Grill them for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning every 5 minutes. This ensures a beautiful char and even cooking, keeping those delicious juices locked inside. Next up, pan frying offers a fantastic way to get a crispy exterior. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Carefully add your hot links, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for 10 to 15 minutes, turning often, until they are beautifully golden brown. Always check for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. Baking is another excellent and often easier method for cooking hot links, especially for a crowd. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply arrange the hot links in a single layer on a baking sheet, perhaps lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through. This provides a wonderfully even cook throughout. Now that your hot links are perfectly cooked, let's explore some delicious serving ideas. A classic choice is on a toasted bun with your favorite mustard or relish. They also pair wonderfully with traditional sides like potato salad or baked beans. For something different, slice them into pasta dishes or breakfast scrambles. Don't forget a garnish of fresh parsley for that extra touch of freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.